Hi, my name is Kalina, and today I want to show you how to set up your For You homepage resources within your mobile app. So starting from the left navigation menu, you will come to the Settings tab. From the Settings tab, you will then be presented with the settings screen. And here you will see the Site tab. On the Site tab, you will see a title, Resources, or the resource field. Here you will see a resource homepage text. The mobile app home screen allows you to add this homepage resource text, which we call your CTA, or your call to action, your advertisement, your new client instructions, your welcome message, your opt-in opportunities that you may offer and want readily available to your clients on a program schedule that you choose, making it easily accessible for your clients. We call this section For You resources. So your For You resources can be again made available to everyone, or a private group, or a selected individual. Now, to use the For You page resources, or to set up the For You page resources on the mobile app home screen, you will use the responders page here to create For You resources. And to learn more about how to set up homepage resources, just see the tutorial titled Responders. So the Responders page again allows you to automatically send messages and tasks and resource suggestions and opt-in opportunities on a schedule that you choose. And so from here, you would add your call to action or your instructions. And it can simply just say, here are a couple of resources I think are worth reviewing if you have time before our next session. Or it could simply just say, just for you. You also have the ability from the site screen or the site tab, the area we call login instructions. If you like to require your client to enter their password every time they open the app, you can turn that feature on here. To do that, you would check the box if you like that client to log in each time, or uncheck that box and leaving the mobile app experience open for them to navigate back and forth freely without having to enter a password. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please follow our YouTube channel to learn more about how you can successfully set up your LyfQuest platform.